In order not to take up space in the house with an umbrella for drying, I have this design right by the entrance. Is the broom broken? Doesn't matter. Take the central part of the plastic bottle, place it in the place of the break, heat it up with a construction hairdryer, and the broom is as new. Take the central part of the plastic bottle, make many incisions, and then scorch the edges with a lighter. We attach it to the plastic tube, and a homemade toilet brush is ready. We'll cut out such a structure from a plastic bottle and fix it on a crane, a great place to store sponges. We'll make a lot of holes in the bottom of the bottle, fix the hook in the center. This design is convenient to use as a drain nozzle. Doesn't miss a thing. We saw off the plastic bottle cap with the neck and glue it on the locker. The comfortable handle is ready. Don't know where to put the cups near the cooler? Take a plastic bottle, cut out the shape from it, then fix it on the cooler and put the cups inside. Now it's convenient to get them one by one. Take a plastic bottle, make a lot of holes in this place, then drill a hole in the lid and insert the valve there. Connect it to the hose and the shower head is ready. Use it. We'll install an empty bottle with a dispenser on 2 rolls of duct tape. Inside we put first a layer of cotton wool, then sand, then the large pieces of charcoal, and on top another layer of cotton wool. The homemade water filter is ready. See, it cleans dirty water. Take a plastic bottle, cut off the neck and attach it to the back of the regular hairdryer. We'll heat it with a construction hairdryer for reliability. And we get a homemade mini vacuum cleaner. We got off the top of a large plastic bottle. Make such holes around the perimeter and attach stationary clips to them. It turns out there's such an unusual sock hanger, which saves a lot of space. Let's take the central part of a plastic bottle, cut it and roll in such a bag. Attach it to the hole on the side of the bottle and add a handle. It turns out a convenient homemade watering can. We'll remove the central part from the plastic bottle, then mark the holes on the top. Prepare several necks from other bottles and attach them. It turns out to be very convenient organizer. We'll need 3 plastic bottles. We got out such rectangular holes in them. Then with the help of an adhesive gun, we fasten 2 bottles with an angular plastic pipe and leave the upper hole for screwing in the 3rd bottle. We fill the bottles with water and attach the 3rd bottle on top. A very convenient homemade drinking bowl for animals. And here's another version of the drinker for you. At the bottom of the bottle, we make a hole, and with the help of a bolt, we fix it at the neck. The remaining part is also secured with a steel loop and attached with a rope. Such a drinking bowl can be hung right in the pan. The chickens like it. We divide the plastic bottle into 3 parts after leaving marks for the evenness of the cut. Now we combine them in this way. The lid will serve as a fastening. We fill the ground inside and transplant the flower. It turns out a homemade pot for indoor plants. Does the broom constantly break? No problem. We attach the neck of the bottle to the handle with a construction hairdryer and screw the plastic lid to the brush. Now the handle can be screwed into the brush and everything works stably and reliably. A bottle with a pipe angle is perfect for not leaving dust after construction works. From a plastic bottle, you can make a very convenient dispenser for toilet paper. It's always at hand. We insert a tube into the neck of a plastic bottle and get a very convenient homemade funnel. We cut off the neck of a plastic bottle, straighten it and bend it this way. Make holes and get an excellent pipe mount. Let's make a small hole in the cork. We'll pull a thread into it and leave the club inside the bottle. We'll fasten it to the wall, and we always have a convenient rope dispenser at hand, which can be measured immediately. We'll insert a bottleneck into a hole in the fabric and press the cork on top. Now we'll stretch the rope through the hole in the cork. Look how tightly it holds. Let's take the lead with a tube from the cup, insert it into the vacuum cleaner. We'll need the top of a large bottle. We stretch a bag of cereal through it and tighten the lid. Convenient to store and convenient to use. We'll make a rectangular hole in the cork. We'll put such a balloon patch on it. We'll fix it with tape. Now we'll make a hole in the bottle, screw the lid and get a homemade balloon pump. Let's take two bottles of different sizes, combine them in this way and pierce them with wooden skewers. We got a homemade juicer. We connect two leads from the bite holes and get a convenient container for seasonings. We'll attach the top of the bottle to the plastic pipe with a construction hairdryer, and at the other end we'll fix the lower part. It turns out a very convenient dispenser for steel rods. If the hose is too wide for a vacuum cleaner, they can always be combined with a bottle and a construction hairdryer. We cut the plastic neck, screw two long bolts into it, and get this forceps. They can be used as a retainer. A lot of things can be made from plastic necks. When heated, they're easy to unbend and set the desired shape, and add a few holes and fasteners are obtained. Look at this variety. Here's an example of usage for storing tools. Let's take two small wooden squares, attach these thresholds to the first one, and make a hole in the second one, and fix it from above. We insert a bolt into the plastic cover and fix it with resin. Insert it into the hole. We cut out such a shape from a plastic bottle. Insert the roller inside. Fix it with a construction hairdryer and then additionally with duct tape. Now you'll have no problems with extra splashes when working with paint. Let's take the holder from a plastic bottle, bend some of teeth and get a convenient stand for the phone. It's that simple. To unscrew a broken cartridge, hit the neck of a plastic bottle, insert it into the cartridge, and unscrew it. It's very simple. To prevent dust from getting there when greasing the wheels, use the neck of a plastic bottle as protection. Let's take a plastic bottle and remove the lid from it. We'll make two holes in the lid, insert the bolts there, screw one nut each, bring the wires to them, and press them with two more nuts. Now, for density, you'll smear the neck with thermal paste and add a couple of drops of water inside. We tighten the lid and fix it tightly with duct tape. We supply the current and our homemade heater is ready. We got off the top of the plastic bottle, take the handle of the broom, wrap it with duct tape and fix the top of the bottle on it. If the lamp is too high, our device is simply irreplaceable. See how easy it is to screw a light bulb with it. Hit the plastic lid, press it with a nail, but do not pierce it. After hardening, cut off the tip and get a convenient dispenser for sauces. We cut the plastic bottle, Heat the lower part above the iron so that the edges become smooth. Using glue, we attach the neck from the side and get a homemade mug. It's that simple. Insert a few needles into the lid, then cover with glue and attach the second cover. We'll make a small hole, and with the help of a microtube, we'll conduct gas from a lighter there. So we got a homemade gas burner.